I'm Bona and welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. For today's Cooking 101, we will make Filipino-style baked macaroni. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! The ingredients that we will need are 500 grams of minced beef, 1 medium-sized onion, 500 grams of elbow macaroni, 500 grams of tomato sauce, cooking oil, half cup of red and green bell pepper, 4 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. You can also use quick melt cheese, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 beef cube. To start, cook the pasta according to the package instruction. Once cooked, drain the pasta and set this aside. In a pan over medium heat, heat the oil. Saute the garlic. Onion. Bell peppers. After 3 minutes, and when the onions and garlic are already translucent, add the minced beef, and cook it until it turns brown. Add the beef cubes. Stir. Pour the tomato sauce. Continue stirring. Sprinkle some salt. And pepper to taste and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After cooking, set this aside. In a large bowl, mix together the pasta and the meat sauce. Add in 1 cup of the grated cheddar cheese. And continue mixing. After mixing, transfer the macaroni in a Pyrex dish. Leave enough space for the cheese sauce. As there are remaining macaroni, I'm going to put it in another dish. For the white sauce, we will need 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of plain flour, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 3/4 cup of milk. In a pan, melt the butter, then add the flour, stir them together until the flour absorbs the butter and lumps are formed. Then add in the milk. Continue to stir them together until the flour is diluted. You can also use a whisk to help dilute the flour and to make it smooth. Add the cheese and continue stirring until the cheese melts. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Once the cheese is already completely melted, turn the heat off. Now, we're going to pour the cheese sauce over the top of the macaroni. Then, top it with grated cheddar cheese. It's optional. Bake this in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. And here's our finished product! It smells so delicious. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! Shout out to my friends in Eastbourne, the Rosemary, Gail, and Big Bro.